How's it going, guys? I hope everyone's having a great day today in 2021, because I say fuck 2020. But let's get started with that video today. So in today's video, I want to talk to you guys a little bit about how my car broke down on me last night. After we vlogged the last video, we decided to go have some fun last night. And I decided to pull off the line as fast as I could with another vehicle, and I stalled it. Well, in that same process, we're assuming the starter went bad because we kick-started the vehicle multiple times and it wouldn't do it, or clutch started it, until I had my good friend, which I now nicknamed him Lucky Charm. Shout out to Eric with Chappelle's Towing, who is a good friend of mine, who works with me, who decided to come out and help me because my car broke down, and he decided to, give it a try himself. And guys, the fucking car started. But we drove it all the way back home. We got it all the way back to my house, and it wouldn't start from there. So we left for a little while because we were on our way to a friend's house to hang out. And I took my cruise, even though I rarely drive the damn car. Look, guys, it moved for the first time in like 2 months. And we came back home. And I decided to see maybe if it would clutch start again, and it fired right up. And so I'm assuming that either it's a bad fuse or the starter went out. So we are going to take out the starter today and hopefully install a new one, or take it down at least to get it tested. Make sure it's still good, or if it's bad, it's bad. I can't help that. We'll get a new starter. We'll put it in, and hopefully the car starts again. If not, you guys will have a lot more videos coming towards this car because I'm kind of brainwashed. I mean, like I said, it could be a fuse or a relay, but, it just clicks. Everything else turns on. Power, it has power. The lights, the radio, etc. But there's no starting to the vehicle. It doesn't crank. It doesn't start. I mean, I tried clutch starting it this morning, and it did nothing. So we had to use the cruise to push it, which just fucking sucks because now we got a slightly damaged front bumper. So yeah, stay tuned for that video because we'll probably end up repainting that bumper before we keep modifying it, or if we get rid of it. So hey guys, so to start the video off, we're going to want to take the negative terminal off the vehicle, which mine was a 10mm. It still should be the stock one, so for you guys, if it's still the same, it would be a 10mm socket or wrench, whatever you prefer. And we'll get that pulled off to get this started. So I already undid mine for you guys, so we can do that. I'm just going to use this protection cover to block it, so there is no connection while we're underneath the vehicle. So let's get this vehicle jacked up. Alright guys, so since we got the vehicle finally jacked up, we're going to go underneath and get started. So on the starter, I know there is one connection and then 2 bolts that holds it to the transmission, and there's a bracket that holds it as well. That'll fall off of one of the bolts. So yeah, let's get underneath there and let's get started. Alright guys, so we are underneath the vehicle right now. It is a little tight under here. I mean, me as a big guy, I am 6'3", 350 pounds, so it's not the best underneath here. But I found the starter. It is right here. You guys can see, it is really hard to see. There's no light under here, but it's right back here. There's a clip that you got to take off, and then one wire that is connected to the starter, and then you just take the 2 bolts off, guys, and it comes right out. So let's get this started. I am going to just get this done because I have, running out of time. It has been getting dark here around 4 or 5 o'clock. So yeah, so I'll stay tuned and I'll see you guys in a few minutes. Alright guys, so we got the starter out. It was a bitch to get out of there. I mean, I tell you, those bolts on the transmission were fucking assholes. It hurt. But we got it out. I do want to give you guys some advice. If you guys have dirty cars underneath yours, wear safety glasses. You'll thank me later because I tell you, I got so much debris in my eyes. I mean, I should have done it myself, but I was too lazy to get out of the vehicle to grab them, put them on, go underneath. So guys, make sure you guys do it because it sucks. I mean, if you don't, that's not on me, that's on you. But just giving you a warning or a heads up. So there's the old starter. I mean, I'm not really sure how old this thing is, but it is definitely dirty. It's pretty beat up. I mean, I'm not an expert at this, but I think I'm going to replace it anyways, or at least I'm going to go down there and get it tested out. Make sure, everything's good. Here's the cars, it sucks because it started fucking raining in the process. It is drenched out here. I got soaked. So I recommend you guys try to do this in your garage or do this somewhere where it's dry. Alright guys, so we are back at the house. We went down to Costless Auto Parts, got the new starter. It only cost me $111 with the core charge, or no, without the core charge. I gave them the old one. It was toasted, guys. We broke. They ended up testing it, and the bearing on the shaft snapped. It was done. We toasted it last night, so we got the new one. It's right here. It's pretty good. I mean, it's new. It's not refurbished. It's brand new, and we're gonna get this installed into the vehicle. So, wish me luck, guys. All right, guys. So it was the starter that was bad. We started the vehicle already. Thank God for being the starter because I wasn't up for doing anything else at the moment. I mean, it is pouring outside right now. The national weather of Washington, it never stops raining. You don't have to do a news report. We already know. Rain, 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 fucking rain. But if you guys like this video, please like, comment. Don't forget to subscribe because we will be bringing you guys as much content as we can, even through the hard times of COVID. And we're going to stay, we're going to stay bright for the new year. Hopefully 2021's better. Fuck 2020. I hope it is better. I mean, I wish you guys all the best as well. So stay tuned. Oh, wait. Hold on. Give me a minute. We did get the GoPro in today, guys. So we'll be making some more content on that as well. It's in my house. So here it is, guys. We got the GoPro. We got the GoPro 7 Silver. It only cost me $300, I believe it was. It came with the 50-pack bundle. It came with the GoPro 7 Silver, which I decided to go with the Silver best because I heard more reviews. I was going to do the GoPro 8 Black, but I don't have that kind of money, and this was like literally $100 cheaper. And I've heard many good reviews with the Silver. I mean, people said there's really no difference between the Silver and the Black, so I went with the Silver, plus it came with the 50-pack, like I said. And it'd be useful because, we can start vlogging in the cars, we can start driving around in the cars, we can start doing many things. Sorry it's dark through the camera because my house has no freaking lights. We only got 3 lights in the house, in the living room area, or kitchen area, and there's no lights in the living room. We have to use lamps because I don't know why, guys. I really don't know why, but I'm trying to give you guys some better lighting in here. There we go. But yeah, so stay tuned for more video, guys. We are doing our best to create right now. I mean, we're just using my phone that I just bought. Before I first started, we used my Stylo 5, which I tell you, it had shitty quality, but it was all I had at the moment. You know, we all work our way somewhere. So I will see you guys soon, and be happy out there, guys. I mean, help each other. If you guys have someone seeing struggling, help them out the best you can. Alright guys, so we did the first run. The car drives excellent. It fires up instantly. We don't have problems. We went down to Walmart because my mother ordered the curbside order. So I thought I'd test the G35 out, and she runs. She sounds a lot better. I mean, it fired up quicker than normal, which is great. So yeah, I mean, stay tuned for more videos, guys. We'll see you guys next time.